Good morning. We have finally made it to Matthiessen State Park. This place has been closed since about August from a pretty big thunderstorm that rocked this whole area down here, and we were down at Starved Rock, which is very close to here, not long after that storm happened. And if you go back to the video, you can see there was some pretty good tree damage. So this place must have just been hit a bit harder than over there. So glad they got it cleaned up. We're doing the Dells Canyon and Bluff Trail to start off with here. We'll be able to see all that Matthiessen State Park has to offer, and I just can't wait. Hope you enjoy. Looks like there's steps down there, so I think we just walk right back through the canyon. It's pretty cool. Looks like we just missed the leaf change. Part of the damage that was caused earlier this year. Beautiful rock formation. Has anyone ever been down here before? Let me know down in the comments your favorite trails, favorite areas, favorite overlooks, favorite spots. Thank you to my sister Nikki for suggesting this place. Appreciate it. I just love looking back at the trail I just walked. Alright, so I'm actually not going to go through that way because that one area to the right looked like to be the best way to get across, and I think it's just too close to the edge. We'll go back up, head around, and we'll hit the lake first since we're headed that way anyway, and come back through the other way. As it heats up today, that breeze is gonna feel so good. Doesn't feel too bad right now. There's a waterfall down there somewhere. Well, we're gonna find it. Oh, there it is. There we go. Nice. Oh, I gotta see that from down there. Absolutely. Let me know your favorite thing you like to see when you're hiking or out in nature. Here's the bridge. Soon will be the waterfall. Can you see the rainbow from here? Oh, this is awesome. Pretty spoiled here. Got a double waterfall. Very nice. Kind of a triple waterfall. Last view. Okay, there we go. That was just off of a slip there, so I guess I have to count it, but gosh, almost. All right, there we go. Alright, a bit more of a hard time with those ones. Here's where we were before. Long way just to get down here. The rest of the canyon trail. Alright, can I make it? Alright. Gotta go fast sometimes. This is definitely the place I want to be right now. This is awesome. A baby waterfall. Where we originally started. The lower Dallas. This place is definitely not as much stairs as Starved Rock, at least so far. Feels so small in here. I see why they put the gate up there. They call this place the Well. This is so cool. Definitely one of the top places here for sure. Breeze on my back. The area is so cool down there. The Wishing Well. Hello. How you doing? Good, how are you? Good. Made it back. Definitely filled up a good bit since we initially got here. There's only about 5 cars in the parking lot when we got here. We are just over 5 miles on the trip today. Just under 3 hours too, so pretty good time, pretty good distance. That was a real cool place, really enjoyed being here. Let me know where I should visit next down in the comments. My name is Jake Fox. This is Walk, Talk, Bike, and Hike. And I'll see you in the next adventure. How'd that get carved in there?